Hello friends, this is Barbara. I'm back with another Crockpot meal. Today is chicken tortilla soup, okay? We're going to start off with 2 chicken breasts. I did cut mine up, like, just half each chicken breast. I don't know why I do that, but sometimes I do. So you make sure you do you. You can throw them in their hole and it really doesn't matter. We're going to do 4 cups of chicken broth, 4 cups of chicken broth along with 1 can of Rotel. I'm going to throw that in there. And then after that, we're going to go in with some black beans. Then we're going to go in there with some corn, a can of corn. Then for the last thing, well, not the last thing, but for now, is 1 onion. And if you don't like onion, omit it, or you can use a half an onion. Make sure you do you, okay? Because it tastes better then. Let's take this and stir it. I was going to say take it for a spin. Spin it around in the crock pot. Okay, and then with that, we're going to go ahead and turn it on high for 4 hours. And I'll be right back. I forgot to tell you that I rinsed those black beans, okay? Rinse your black beans. That way it's not so salty. Okay, I took the chicken out, and I am now going to shred the chicken with my shredder. And put that back into the pot. Give it a nice stir. Get it all blended together. I got to get the shredder out of my way. Okay. Yep, we're going to stir that up. So, this was created to be a budget meal, okay? If you have any seasonings, like maybe cumin, or I have something called Mexican Fiesta seasoning, I am just going to put a few sprinkles. It doesn't need it, but it just gives it a little extra flavor. If you're doing cumin, don't put too much, just a little bit, okay? Just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. But the flavoring is actually coming from the Rotel tomatoes and from that chicken broth, and then everything being cooked together. Okay, we're just going to get us a little bit out. And then, see, that is what it looks like. Get a little bite of everything. Yeah, that's hot. Hot but good. Okay, I think you might like this one. This is really good. But if you can get some cumin in there, or maybe even garlic, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of onion powder, just like whatever you like in seasonings. Yeah, put that in there. Make it yours, okay? But this is just the foundation. And you don't need the seasonings, unless you want them, okay? All right, friends. Thank you so much for being here. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Okay, friends, keep on cooking. I love you, friends. Also, I wanted to end the video with... I had got what I was really after. I had to go to the store because I wanted to get some corn tortillas, but they didn't have any. And you don't have to do this, but I'm like, it's called chicken tortilla soup, but in those ingredients that I was following, where were the tortillas? They had nothing in there, so I'm making it mine. Like I tell you, used to make it yours. If you want, get you some tortillas. Corn tortilla, I think, would be the best because then it'll make your soup a little bit thicker and give it some flavor. So I had to go with the restaurant tostadas thing. And then what you can do, I'm sorry for all the noise, but just take a few, not a whole bunch, just a few. And just like it was crackers, okay? And I really think this is going to work that way. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now it is chicken tortilla soup. Okay, again, I love you guys. Keep on cooking.